Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll demonstrate how to calibrate the IC-EC111B Bluetooth Conductivity and Temperature Tester. For this calibration you will need some water for rinsing and some fresh calibration solution. We're using conductivity calibration solution 1413 microsiemens per centimetre. I've linked this in the video description. To start, enter into calibration mode by pressing Calibrate on the bottom menu, then press Calibrate again on the centre of the screen. It's important to note that our calibration solution is in microsiemens per centimetre and the calibration input is requesting millisiemens per centimetre. So when required, be sure to convert between the two correctly. You can find the conversion calculation in the video description. Place a conductivity electrode into the fresh solution, then press Start on the app screen. Wait as the unit calibrates to your entered standard. When finished, the app will display calibration complete. Press Save and exit. Rinse the conductivity meter before use. Returning to the measurement screen now, we can see the measured conductivity and temperature values. In addition to this, our days since last calibration value has adjusted, so you can never forget to calibrate again. And that's how straightforward it is to calibrate the IC-EC111B Bluetooth Conductivity and Temperature Tester. For more information on the Jenco Bluetooth series of meters, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Contact details can be found in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.